They're really a great place to bring people face-to-face together, to allow them to network.
Combining tutorials, plenary sessions, technical papers, and placing it in a geographically place and time where a lot of engineers who need to learn and pick up and get involved and connect can do it.
And that's what we would do to put together a community, put together a conference. And then out of that community, you might decide that there are sub-areas that need more focus, and those groups may spawn conferences just particularly in that specific area. So you can start this sort of organic growth that comes out of a high-level conference and then subject area conferences underneath it, and communities building themselves to solve specific problems in that community long term.
Well, IEEE has, among its 400,000 members around the world, expertise in many, many areas, more areas of electrical engineering, electronics, computer science and engineering than just about any other organization.
This is the reason why I come to such a kind of conference, because you see very different people, very different disciplines, and you get a better understanding how they could work together and where synergies could happen in the future.
They could address the issues that this audience likes, which are technical. We're all somewhat nerds.
It's a quite good opportunity for people with different background to discuss the same technology issue from different point of view, from the policy point of view, from the technical point of view, from the marketing point of view.
And that's great that IEEE does this kind of conferences which really has not a specific focus on just one topic, there's a lot of that, but which opens up into the discussion of what could be done.
You go to a conference and ideas come on the table and they generate new ideas, they generate sub-conversations in the hallways.
That is what I think is very important for this kind of conference.
This is what I think people from industry are looking for. Really networking and maybe getting a good educated young engineers who will be then attracted to our field.
I think the ability to develop a relationship with somebody else who's working in the same area that you work in makes a huge difference. We spend so much of our time behind a computer screen.
I think the FaceTime with not only competitors and other vendors, but also the end users is invaluable to find out what's going on. The panel sessions are really good to get inputs from various people and find out where things are going.
So it's useful in academic stuff and also like social and networking.
An effect of such a conference is always that you get a kind of convergence in thinking, yeah? Or a kind of cross-disciplinary thinking, which is very valuable.
And I think it's that synergy that makes people want to go to conferences and continue to go. It's not just about the technology, but there's that social piece around it as well that makes it so important today. And that's why I think conferences are such a real core part of what we do at the IEEE.